fuel. I think they're part of the Vietnam vets this weekend, and they came over here to get some fuel. Model T Ford or Model A Ford racing the yellow airplane. Right there behind the helicopter. That little car. There he goes.
No?
So I think he's getting ready to take off now. Yep, there he goes.
There we go. He's getting right on the scales. Put it back. We really appreciate it. Here we go with the fourth lap in our J3
that was cool.
Model T race. Building speed. She's going to try and blow the doors off of that Corvette today. There goes Steve. He's building the speed. I'm sure that accelerator's all the way down to the floor. Go, 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 go. Oh my God, Steve's doing much better this time, folks. Oh my God, that was close. That was really close. Great show. He's a licensed airline transport pilot with flight instructor ratings in single and in multi-engine aircraft. In fact, JP does fly a number of CAF airplanes as well, including Bob, the C-45, giving rides today. As you can see,
whoa, look at that,
over
Bob.
4,000 hours of flight time, he also holds a statement of aerobatic competency because he's highly competent in aerobatics. Look at those beautiful loops and rolls, folks. It's
What do you think, bub?
graceful ballet in the air, and it sounds absolutely wonderful.
You do. Oh, look, he's going straight down. Look, whoa. You think you would like that?